Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Today we're gonna make a tool. So I bought these from Harbor Freight. They're Pittsburgh 9-piece hollow punch set. They were $10. So, and they were on sale today, 25% off. So, I think I paid, $7.50 for them. So, so what we're gonna do, so this is a hollow punch set. Use them for gaskets, punching holes in gaskets. A lot of people use them for leather. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this thing in half here, and what these will be used for then is to finish the end of the bead off. So we put a bead in these panels, and it doesn't really end. It just, it's just kind of there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this in half, and then you'll lay it on the bead and you'll smack it with a hammer, and it'll finish off the end of the beads. So let's modify this tool. You got different sizes in here, and you have different size beads. This is a bigger bead, so we can use the bigger one for this guy, and then the other three should line up with the other beads. So right now I'm just gonna make the one. I'll show you kind of how you make it and what it's used for, and then and then when I do the other two, when I need them, I'll make the other two. So I'm just gonna use whiz wheel, and we're just gonna cut this in half. So, and then not only that, but sometimes you get a little warpage around the ends where it starts and finishes, and with this, kind of relieves some of that pressure. So you can see it's already kind of cut out here for whatever you're punching through, rubber, gasket, leather, whatever. It has a place to kind of, it fills up the punch, and as it fills up the punch, it pushes itself, exits out there. Now that is not quite halfway across, so we're gonna be cutting, I'm gonna kind of try and eyeball it, so that I'm cutting even with this exit thing, but I need to go more towards the middle. If you got a bandsaw would work great for doing this. I do not have one. Okay, so I just cut the half of that tip off. Just kind of clean it up a little with the grinder. Okay, so now we got, a half a circle there. We're just gonna use a body hammer, and we're gonna line up with the lines, and I'm gonna give it a smack. And as you can see, you know, these just kind of end, and now look at this one's got a nice round edge to it. So you just want to make sure that where you're smacking it, that you are kind of on the beveled part of your bead. If you go too far out from the bevel, you won't see it. So, but that's it. Yeah, just a 9-piece hollow punch kit from Harbor Freight. Like I said, they're $10. Little modification, and you have the end of a bead now. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm out.